We are talking tire care for fun and profit in this video, and we're going to start with what I think are some pretty alarming survey results from the Tire and Rubber Association of Canada. Findings from a recent survey for the association reveal, in part, that a significant number of motorists have neglected their tires during the pandemic, with 18% saying they haven't checked tire pressure in the last year, with the worst offenders being drivers aged 35 to 44, where that figure rises to 27%. The thing is, the survey also reveals that 95% of drivers agree that proper tire inflation is essential to vehicle safety, and that 91% understand it's better for fuel economy, with 71% understanding that proper tire inflation pressures lower emissions too. Survey says that indicates a clear disconnect between understanding the importance of proper inflation and knowing how to do it. The association says that only 21% of drivers check pressures once a month as recommended in their owner's manual, and that a whopping 63% were unaware that inflation pressures should only be measured when tires are dead cold. Further, 34% of drivers say they refer to the air pressure stamped on the tire sidewall, which is actually the maximum pressure rating. Driving on a tire at maximum pressure for extended periods can cause wear and damage, and if you're wondering, the proper inflation pressure is on your owner's manual or door placard. Finally, 11% of the association's survey respondents said they rely on visual inspections for tire pressure, which is, not surprisingly, a very bad idea. So remember to check your tires when they're cold, maybe first thing in the morning when the car's been parked overnight. This should be a monthly ritual and automatic before a road trip for maximum confidence. Check each tire's pressure and adjust accordingly. And that's even if your vehicle has an electronic tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS. To help drivers focus on the most important checks for a car that's coming out of pandemic lockdown in a garage or driveway, I talked to Shafin Perwani, the owner of OK Tire in Pickering, Ontario. He reminds us that automobile health starts from the ground up, and that a properly inflated tire is the only thing connecting your car to the road, so it's easy to see why proper tire maintenance is so essential. Perwani suggests drivers check tire pressure at least monthly, remembering that underinflated tires wear out faster and result in uneven tread wear. This in turn increases fuel consumption, and the point is, underinflated tires cost you money, so spending 5 minutes a month to check and adjust your tire pressures is a good investment. Perwani adds that rotating your tires is an essential part of regular maintenance that's designed to achieve a more uniform wear, which saves you money in the long run. He says the more attention drivers pay to tire rotation and inflation, the longer those tires will last. During the pandemic, with cars parked for weeks and months on end, tires can deflate, rot, crack, and otherwise suffer. If in doubt, get them checked out by a professional. Perwani says to be on the lookout for uneven tread wear, shallow tread, punctures, and damaged valve caps. For maximum peace of mind, if you're driving or buying a car that's been sitting parked for weeks or months, assume its tires are underinflated and may be unsafe for use until you have confirmation to the contrary. Finally, according to Perwani, drivers should take unwanted or unusual vibrations seriously, as they could be symptoms of trouble with various parts of the vehicle or signs that an alignment is needed. So that was a recap of some of the most common tire pressure related mistakes, some of the ways the pandemic might be making your tires suffer, and how you can make sure things are tip-top where the rubber meets the road before your next road trip. I'm Justin Pritchard for Driving.ca. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, click on the like and subscribe buttons down below, or say hi in the comments section. And until next time, take care and drive safe.